Hello guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, buenos dias. Naimbag nga aga, naimbag nga balam, naimbag nga rabi, maing udto, maing buntag. Maayo nga adlaw sa inyong tanan. Hello, 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 hello. So, tambay-tambay lang dito. Ano lang, enjoy the day. Relax, relax lang, listening to the sound of silence. Ayan. Nagpahinga lang sa walking. This is a dog park, kaya maraming dogs dito. Punta sana ako sa beach, kaya lang nakakatamad maglakad papunta doon. Not in the mood to walk that far. Anyway, yeah, it's kind of cloudy day. It's nice because the other 2 days it was so hot to walk around. Ang init maglakad. So, ngayon, happy lang. At, ano lang, enjoying the mood. Yeah. So, bye, plane. I hope everybody's happy and keeping themselves busy. Just enjoying the wind, cooler day here than in the house. So yeah, just resting a little bit. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye. God bless.